everyone, welcome to our podcast, where we dive deep into the world of survival. I'm Salwa.
And I'm Bisma. Today, we're going to talk about something thrilling: how to survive in extreme situations.
Right, Bisma, imagine being stuck in the wild with no phone, no food, and no shelter. What would you do first?
That's a tough one. But the first rule of survival is staying calm. Panicking will only make things worse.
Exactly. Many people make fatal mistakes because they freak out. Instead, take a deep breath and assess your situation.
Speaking of assessment, what do you think are the top 3 priorities in a survival situation?
Well, I'd say first, find a safe place to stay. Second, secure drinking water. Third, look for food.
I totally agree. Shelter is crucial, especially in extreme weather. If it's too cold, you could suffer from hypothermia. If it's too hot, dehydration can kill you.
Yeah, and speaking of water, you should never drink directly from river or lakes. You need to purify it first.
Right, you can boil it, use purification tablets, or even make a simple filter using sand and charcoal.
That's a great tip. Now let's talk about food. What's the best way to find food in the world?
Well, if you're near a forest, you can look for edible plants, berries, or even insects. But you have to be careful. Some plants can be poisonous.
True, it's best to do the universal edibility test before eating anything, and if you're lucky, you may catch fish or small animals.
That reminds me, do you know how to make a simple trap?
Oh, I've seen people make one using just stick and finish. It takes patience, but it works.
Survival is all about resourcefulness. You have to use everything around you wisely.
Exactly. Even trash can be useful. A plastic bottle can collect rainwater, and a piece of broken glass can be a cutting tool.
That's the mindset of a true survivor. Hey, what do you think is the most important skill to have in a survival situation?
I'd say fire making. Fire gives warmth, protection, and helps cook food.
Definitely. If you don't have matches, you can use a magnifying glass, friction, or even a battery and steel wool.
That's cool. Fire can also keep wild animals away. Speaking of which, what would you do if you encountered a wild animal?
It depends. If it's a bear, don't run. Stay calm and back away slowly. If it's a snake, avoid sudden movements.
That's good advice. And if you get lost, always try to find high ground so you can see your surroundings.
Yeah, you follow a river downstream. It usually leads to civilization.
Smart thinking. Survival isn't just about skill, it's about mental strength too.
Absolutely. A strong mindset can keep you alive even in the worst situations.
That's why survival training is so important. You never know when you might need this skill.
True, and that's why we love survival games and movies, right? They teach us a lot.
100%. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for listening, and remember, stay prepared, stay calm, and survive.
See you in the next episode. Stay safe.